I be thinking crazy though. I be thinking crazy. I be thinking crazy though. I be thinking crazy. I be crazy though. I be thinking crazy. I be thinking crazy though. I be thinking crazy. What the fuck you get on my school? Bitch, I'm here doing shit. Young B, bitch, I'm trapping everywhere. I don't care. I don't care. Fuck them police over there. Bitch, I'm here on the hood like a hell. Y'all niggas look like fucking mice in the shit. Yeah, rolling on the shit. I'm rolling up, fucking dope. Smoke it up, do it up. I see your hoe, man, she thick. I might fuck that bitch. Oh well, I don't care. A lot of bitch everywhere. I don't care. Get my money every day, nigga. Do this shit on the way. Yeah, I'll rob a nigga quick. I don't give a thing. I don't care. Many niggas out here dumb as fuck. Don't care. Niggas dying on this shit for no fucking good shit. Good shit, small shit, man. Grave in this bitch. What's up with y'all people? Y'all on fucking Flocko. I'ma do this shit for real, man. Get off my block with that shit. I ain't hood, be I fucking pee on this shit. Yeah, I'm deep, instrumental in this beat. Never sleep. Yeah, I get on my knees. Pray Lord. Yeah, I do it anyway. I'ma do in the hood. Yeah, so do it good. I see you fucking hoe. Yeah, you know on the low, on shit. Right up on the shit. Bitch, I'm tryna get rich. Yeah.
Bitchy Avenue, yo, we coming round. If you know my fate, yeah, they call me out. But in the city, who? On the fucking truth. That's why they call me by my last name, and that's true. I still play football, cause that's what I love. But guess what? I still be with my thug. And if you my soldier, my thug, you my bruh. And we don't really give a fuck, nigga. We tough. Nigga, don't make me tell you how we do it. You ain't nothing like my crew will. And nigga, we'll break it to your hood with the motherfucking razor blade or something good. Hey, we don't need no pistol. Hold up.
I'm a real ass nigga, you can tell that. I'm a real ass nigga, you can tell that. I'm a real ass nigga, you can tell that. I'm a real ass nigga, you can tell that. Squad, entertainment, do this shit.